Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine. Welcome you to the next lecture of unit number 3, and the name of our unit number 3 is Healthy Habits. Dear students, in the previous lecture we talked about that all living things need food to live. And the food we eat that comes from both plants and animals. We also talked about what healthy food is and what are the ways to be strong and healthy. Dear students, in this lecture number 7, we will learn that we use different things to clean our bodies. It is important to keep ourselves and our surrounding clean. We will also learn that keeping ourselves clean can prevent illness, and there are ways of protecting ourselves from different diseases. Cleanliness. Dear students, you know what cleanliness is. Cleanliness is to keep ourselves neat, clean and tidy. You must be thinking, why we need to keep ourselves clean? कि हमें अपने आप को clean रखने की क्या ज़रूरत है? Dear students, there are so many germs who live around us, and the germs are everywhere, in the air, in water, on land, on our hands and everywhere. And you know what do they do? These germs attack our bodies. They enter into our bodies and they make us ill. हम बीमार हो जाते हैं. So, if we want to protect ourselves from these diseases, what we have to do? We have to keep ourselves neat and clean, because cleanliness is the most important thing to be healthy. We need to keep ourselves clean to stay healthy. How can you keep yourself clean? Dear students, there are different ways we can do to keep ourselves clean. Like, keep your nails short. अपने nails को short रखें, उन्हें ना बढ़ने दें. Trim them regularly. Because if you will not trim your nails, germs can grow in our nails. And there are many children, they are in habit of chewing and biting the nails. They should not do this. This is not good habit. Germs can enter our bodies and they can make us ill. So, we should always keep our nails short and clean so that we can be healthy. Brush your hair. Yes, dear students, this is very important to keep ourselves clean. Make it a habit of brushing your hair regularly. You know, if we don't brush our hair, what will happen? We can expect more tangles and lices and nits in our hair, and our hair will look more dull. You know what happens when we brush our hair regularly? More blood goes to our head, and our hair, they look healthier and shiny. So, we should brush our hair to keep ourselves clean. Brush your teeth twice a day. Dear students, this is something very important if you really want to keep yourselves clean and healthy. Dear students, you know what will happen if we will not brush our teeth? We'll be having bad breath. Our gums will have different diseases like swelling and bleeding. And you know, our teeth will be having cavities. So dear students, this is very important that we should brush our teeth twice a day, especially before going to bed. That is very important time to brush our teeth if we really want to be healthy. Bath daily. Dear students, if you really want to keep yourself clean and healthy, then take bath daily. You know, dear students, what happens when we take bath? All the germs and dirt and smell that is removed from our body, and we feel very active and fresh. So, we should take bath daily, and we should also use shampoo and soap while taking bath. Wash your hands before and after meals. Dear students, if you want to be healthy and clean, make it a habit of washing your hands frequently. We have already talked about this thing that germs are everywhere, on our hands, in the surrounding. We cannot see the germs, but they spread different diseases. You know, dear students, that many people they touch their eyes and nose and mouth with their hands, and germs enter in their bodies through eyes, nose or mouth and make them ill. So, if we really want to be healthy, we should wash our hands frequently. Keep your surroundings clean. Dear students, we have talked about the cleanliness of our body. That is very much important to be healthy. We should also keep our surroundings clean. What surrounding is? That is all around us. If we find any garbage or dirt in the surrounding, we should throw that in the dustbin. We should not cut the trees. We should not make the water dirty. We have to take care of all these things. So it is important to keep ourselves, our clothes, our surrounding neat and clean. Illness. Dear students, in this unit we talked about to be healthy, we should have healthy food and we should take care of our cleanliness. If we will not take care of our healthy food and our cleanliness, germs will attack us and we will become ill. Coughs and colds are caused by the germs. Dear students, when someone becomes ill, he should take rest and he should take healthy food. And if he is very ill, then he has to see a doctor. But at first place, keeping healthy and clean help us stay well. अगर हम पहले से ही अपनी हेल्थ का और अपनी क्लीनलीनेस का केयर करेंगे तो germs will not attack us. We will remain well. Infectious diseases. Dear students, we talked about that germs they spread diseases, and some diseases they spread from one person to another person. Such diseases are called infectious diseases. Then doctor recommend vaccines to stop the infection. Vaccines make the body strong against the infection. And vaccine stops and protects us from serious infectious diseases. What helps to prevent illness? When I asked a student, she told me that I drink clean water and eat healthy food. I keep myself and my surroundings clean. These things help to prevent illness. Absolutely right. If we want to prevent illness, We should eat healthy food. We should keep ourselves clean. We should keep our surrounding clean. Then we can prevent illness. Dear students, there is an activity on page number 23. The activity is make a poster for your classroom showing ways to keep yourself clean. Dear students, आपने एक पोस्टर बनाना है जिसमें आप शो करेंगे कि किन किन तरीकों से आप अपने आप को क्लीन रख सकते हैं. So this is the activity, you will have to do it. Dear students, I hope that the lecture was helpful to you. If you have any query, please don't hesitate to write in the comment box. Stay blessed, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.